Karel the Robot is programmed to perform tasks in a world consisting of a grid of horizontal streets and vertical avenues that Karel moves on. This grid is bounded on the south and west by infinite impenetrable walls. This world also contains wall segments that can be placed between adjacent intersections. They are used to represent obstacles around which Karel must navigate. This world also contains beepers, small plastic cones that are placed on intersections and emit a quiet beeping noise. Beepers can be picked up, carried and put down by Karel. All beepers possessed by Karel are kept in his beeper bag. For every program we write for Karel, there must be a world set up and initialized in our simulator. The Edit Robot World page is used to perform this task. On the screen, you see a simple world being assembled. When we need Karel to perform a task, we must provide a detailed set of instructions on how to do that task. Those detailed instructions are called a program. Karel has 5 primitive instructions that he understands. The first instruction is move. Karel is mobile. He is able to move forward in the direction he is facing. The second instruction is turn left. Karel is also able to make 90-degree turns, but only in the counterclockwise direction. The third instruction is put beeper. Karel is able to place a beeper on the intersection he is standing if he has a beeper in his beeper bag. A runtime error occurs if there are no beepers in the bag. The next instruction is pick beeper. Karel is able to pick up a beeper from an intersection if he is standing on that intersection. A runtime error occurs if there are no beepers on the intersection. The final instruction is turn off. Karel is turned off and incapable of executing any more instructions. The last instruction executed in every robot program must be turned off. Karel has a number of sensors that help in performing tasks. Karel's beeper sensor can detect whether or not a beeper is on the intersection Karel is standing on. Karel's direction sensor can detect what direction Karel is facing. On the screen, you see Karel executing different statements in performing a U-turn, depending on whether he is facing north or south. Karel's wall sensor can sense a wall segment immediately in front of, to the right of or to the left of its current position. Karel's bag sensor can detect whether the beeper bag has any beepers. Primitive instructions do not utilize these sensors. Later we will see how to create instructions that do utilize them. For example, the program shown on the screen directs Karel to move forward, but if his sensor detects a wall immediately in front, he is directed to hurdle it. In the next tutorial, we will write simple programs for Karel.